I'm kidding. He doesn't eat little kids. Look at his really big long nails, but he uses those for us to dig down in the dirt and find lots of different bugs, and then he gobbles up all the bugs. And he loves to eat bugs. Who here loves to eat bugs? There's always a few of you that do. All right, I'm going to give to Miss Linda, and I'm going to let Miss Linda bring him around. You guys can pet Tank on his head. The only thing we don't want to do is put our fingers in here. That scares Tank, and sometimes he closes up really tight, okay? So she's going to bring him around so you guys can all pet him real quick. And I'm going to keep telling you guys about him. Does anybody know what animals that eat insects are called? Bug-eating animals. What are they called? Bug-eating animals? You don't think there's like those big scientists in white coats, they don't have like a bigger name? Insect animals? What do you think?
Insectivores.
Wow, I know who to go to for the right answer. Insectivore, that's right. Can everyone say insectivore? Insectivore! Very nice. Now who here is an insectivore? You again with the bug eating. Man, you guys got to keep an eye on these two. They eat a lot of bugs. You eat bugs too? No? Oh, gross. All right. Okay, another cool thing about Tank is, does anybody know if he's a reptile or a mammal? Okay? Okay, wait. Because if you think you know which he is, you have to tell me why. Okay? So if you think he's a reptile and you can tell me why, raise your hand in the air. Okay, how about you in the black and white shirt? What do you think? Because you don't think he has any fur. Okay, let's ask these guys over here. Does he have fur? Does he have fur? Does he have any hair?
No, yes.
He does. They say he has hair. You'll get to see in just a minute. Anybody else still think he's a reptile? Want to tell me why? What do you think? You think he's a... No, I want to know if you think he's a reptile. You think he's a reptile? Why? Well, he has hard, scaly skin, just like a tortoise, right? Right? Oh, you think so? Okay, hang on, guys. Be real quiet. Be real quiet. What do you think? Wow! Has anybody ever heard of a mollusk before? Mollusks are like clams and mussels, and they have shells. So he thinks he's a mollusk. You guys think he's a reptile. Who thinks he's a mammal? Why do you think he's a mammal? Because he has a little hair. What else? Do you guys know what else mammals do? What else do mammals do? Well, I have someone else to go to for very smart answers. You're right. 3 important things about mammals. They have to have hair. They have to give live birth, okay? And they have to be able to give milk to their babies. And guess what? He has hair, and his wife has live birth and gives milk to her babies. He doesn't have live birth, right? Because boys don't usually have babies. But his wife does. So that makes him a mammal. Cool, huh? All right. Okay. Now, if you guys can continue to be as quiet as you are now, I'm going to bring out the next animal. Are you ready for the next animal? Okay. All right. We're going to keep moving into the rainforest, so we're going to see another animal. What do you think the next layer in the rainforest is? We know the first one is the forest floor. What's the next layer? The trees. What are the trees called? Do you know? Oh, you're not sure? The forest trees? What do you think? The rainforest environment? Nope. The forest tall trees? Not there yet? In between? Okay, it's called the understory. Understory. So we have the forest floor and then we have the understory. And I have a really cool animal that lives in the understory, and it's not you. No, it's not her. a red-tailed boa constrictor. Okay? All right. So, do you guys think she's a venomous snake?
No.
No, I wouldn't have a venomous snake draped around my neck. No way, Jose. She's actually what we call a constrictor. And so the way she eats her prey is she bites it, and then she wraps her body around it, and then squeezes it till it can't breathe anymore, and then she swallows it whole. Okay? And guess what? She really only likes little girls in purple dresses. She only eats rats and mice. Nobody took a bath in rat or mouse shampoo today, right? No? Okay, I didn't think so. All right, now some cool things about Pandora. I don't know if you're noticing, but she is sticking her tongue out at me. Why do you think she does that? Let's see. How about you right here? Why do you think? You're right, she's smelling not just for prey, she's just checking out her environment, looking to see where she is, what's going on around her. She's just checking stuff out. So it's not just looking for prey, she's just looking around. Now another cool thing is this is a girl snake. Do you guys think this is as big as she can get, or do you think she can get bigger? Do you guys want to learn a really big word? I bet you won't hear this word again until you're in college. Are you sure you want to learn this word? Okay. It's ovoviviparous. One more time. Ovoviviparous. Very good. Do you know what it means? You think you might know? A type of snake? Well, it means that she gives birth to live babies and lays eggs. How does that work? The monkey says, knock, knock, who's here? She can give birth to live young, but she lays eggs too. Now, how that works is she actually... Sorry guys, hang on. Okay, so what she does is she actually carries the eggs around inside of her body, and then when they're ready to hatch, the babies crawl out. So it looks like she gave birth to a live baby, but they were really living inside of an egg inside of her. Who knows why she would do that? Can anybody guess why? How about you? Very good answer, to keep her eggs safe. That's right, she wants to keep her eggs nice and safe. Okay, I'm going to bring her around so that you guys can pet her, okay? Wait. You do not have to pet her. Remember the rule? If you just sit there with your hands in your lap, she will not touch you, okay? All right? Good job. While I'm bringing her around, you guys can ask questions. If you put your hands in the air, I'll answer your questions. What's yours? She is a reptile. Very good question. guys got to be real quiet so you can hear everything about him and we can get to see him really close, okay? All right. We've been to the forest floor and we've been up to the canopy, or to the understory. We're going to stay in the understory to meet our next animal. No. It's not that. No screaming? I had a snake? What are these? But they are really important. These guys are what's called decomposers, which means they like to eat dead stuff. Not little kids. You guys are safe. These guys only eat dead stuff. And if we didn't have animals like these to eat all the dead stuff, we'd be like buried over our heads in dead leaves and dead animals and trash and gross stuff, okay? So these guys are really important. Now these guys are called Madagascar hissing cockroaches. They're from the rainforest of Madagascar, and the reason why they're called hissing cockroaches is because they push all the air out of these little holes in the side of their bodies called spiracles. Whenever they're scared, they make a noise like that, and that hopefully scares the predators away. So I'm going to bring these guys around. I want you guys to look real close. If you want to, you can touch them really softly on their backs. But you don't have to. You can see the black holes. You can see the black holes on the sides of their bodies. Those are the spiracles. Do you guys have any questions? Yeah, raise your hand if you have questions. You guys, I need you to be really quiet so I can hear her question. They're born with them. What's your question? These are both girls and they're both full grown. They're actually old ladies. They would like to wear a you guys have your shoes so you got to touch them when I come by, okay? Right? They have their skeleton on the outside of their body. So, that helps them. They can fall from a really long ways and fall on the ground and they'll still be okay. So they actually sometimes will drop out of the trees, fall down in the soft dirt or leaves in the bottom of the rainforest and go along. And they eat all sorts of dead leaves and stuff on the forest floor. They're very good at that. Okay, one more question and then we're going to go to our next animal. Well, they just eat a little bit at a time. Yeah, but they can eat a lot. Okay. Put these gross guys away and we're going to go on to soft and cuddly. Okay, everybody stay seated. Everybody stay seated. He's going to come around so you can see him. This is what kind of animal he is, what it's called when he eats what he does. Who was listening? Remember? Very close. Omnivore. Can you guys all say that? Omnivore. Who knows what that means?
It means that a kind of animal eats meat, vegetables, and other plants.
Very true. You know what Frito's favorite food is? Anybody know? No? Well, those might not be too bad, but not his favorite. Broccoli? No! Fritos, that's a good guess. Bananas. Bananas. He loves bananas. That's his favorite food. Now, you guessed Fritos. Does anybody know why he might be named Frito? What do you think? Yes. He does. Or buttered popcorn. Did anyone smell buttered popcorn when he was climbing around on you? That's right. He smells like buttered popcorn or Fritos. Now, why would a boy want to smell like popcorn? Can anybody guess? What do you think? You think predators are scared of popcorn? And if he smells like popcorn, he might scare the predators away. That's a good guess. What do you think?
Because he eats too much popcorn.
Do you think he eats too much popcorn? You think there's a lot of popcorn growing in the rainforest? Oh. You think a predator will be like, no, I don't eat popcorn. I was looking for a venturon. No. Boys. Why would boys want to smell like popcorn? You guys might be a little too young for this. It's to get a girlfriend. It's to get a girlfriend. You know, instead of putting on cologne in the morning, he just puts a little popcorn smell under there. Yeah, the girls, they love it. We say the chicks dig it. All right, okay. Now we're gonna there, okay? And we're gonna leave the understory. We kind of visited the canopy. Frito spends some time in the canopy, but not a whole lot of time. We're going to skip the canopy and we're going to go to the very top layer. Anybody know what it's called? Okay. The leaves are up there.
At the top of the tree or in the sky?
The very tip tops of the tree and the skies is called the emergent layer. Can everybody say that? Okay, we're going to add the emergent layer and we're going to meet Can-Can. Okay? Can-Can is a toucan, get it? Can-Can, toucan. Okay, it's supposed to be funny, guys. Now, I want you guys to know something about Can-Can and a lot of birds. In the wild, birds don't pet each other. They don't do this. Okay? So Can-Can really doesn't like to be touched. So we're going to bring her around and you guys can look at her really, really close, but you're not going to pet her, right? No. Can-Can. Okay, well, she's going to bring her around. And remember, if you guys get too noisy, Linda's going to stop and she's going to come back up here, okay? So you guys got to be quiet. All right, Can-Can is a toucan, and toucans have a really big beak, and they use that really big beak for 5 different things. I want you to put your hand in the air quietly if you think you know what those 5 things are, or just one of them. What do you think? To get food. That's right. She uses her beak to eat. What about something else? Something other than eating food. What do you think? Maybe she uses it to like dive down? No, not so much. She usually just hops around in the trees. What do you think? To feed her babies? That's kind of the same thing as food. She uses it to get food and also to give food. She has her wings clipped so she can't fly away. Like a haircut. What do you think? What do you think she uses her beak for? What do you think? Bananas? Eating bananas? Yeah, she does. She eats some bananas. What do you think? predators don't know that. They just see that really big beak and they're like, I'm going to stay away. So she uses it to protect herself. Okay, last thing. This is a big word. You guys want to learn another big word? Okay, thermoregulation. Can you say that? Good job. One more time. Good job. I bet you know what that means. What does it mean? Uh-oh, did you forget? Okay, hang on. We'll come back. What do you think it means? You forgot? Anybody know? Okay, it means to regulate her temperature. So, in order to keep herself warmer or colder, what she would do is she would heat up the air in her beak, or the blood in her beak, and that would help her get warmer, or to cool down. She could put her beak under her arm and like put it in the shade if she wanted to get cooler. So what's that called again? Thermoregulation, and that has to do with regulating your temperature. Okay, I'm ready for your facts. That's exactly right. Did you guys hear that?
Yes.
No, you guys can't hear because you're being too noisy. I'm going to have to ask Linda to bring the bird to the front of the room. Okay, she had a very good fact. Did you learn that in Rio? Was it? It wasn't in Rio. It was in another movie. What they do when they're going through a mating ritual, kind of like getting married for us. What they do is they actually pass food back and forth to each other. So they do that all day. They just sit there and pass food back and forth to each other. It's like, here, have a strawberry. Okay, I'll have the strawberry back. Here, have a strawberry again. Kind of weird way to get married, huh? All right, okay. 2 more questions and then we're going to go on to our last thing. Blueberries are a favorite. What do they usually eat? Okay, I need everyone's attention again. What do they usually eat? She wants to know. They love fruit. And they eat all kinds of fruit. And they only eat fruit. That's their favorite thing in the world is fruit. Okay? They eat lots and lots of that. All right, we are going to meet our last animal. We're going to go back. We're going to go back to the canopy. So we've been to what's the first layer? Forest floor, second layer. Understory, third layer. We're going to go to the canopy now. And then the last layer that we just met, Can lives there.
In the top of the tree.
Oh, it's the hard one.
Emergent area.
Emergent layer. Oh, you guys had it. Emergent layer. All right, now, to bring out my last animal, we have to be way more quiet than we have been. She gets very nervous around a lot of people, and if you guys want to meet Keiko, we've got to be much more. Okay? Keiko is a monkey, and she is specifically called a capuchin monkey. Okay? We're going to meet Keiko. Thank you. That's perfect. We're not going to scare Keiko when we talk. Do you think you have something to say? What? No, you're not eating that. All right. Just trying to steal the little puppy ball off the top of the microphone, and I think she did it. All right, that's all right. So this is Keiko. She's a capuchin monkey. Now, I'm going to bring her around. We're not going to be able to pet her, okay? This is a lot of people for Keiko to meet. And this is kind of scary because what you guys look to her is like a whole troop of other monkeys. And, yeah? What was that? What did you want to say? Oh, no. Okay, you guys look like a big troop of other monkeys, and we see, you can check out her tail. She has a really long, nice, beautiful tail. You guys can look at her, check her out, say hi. Very nice. No touching, no touching her. Thank you guys. Very nice. Thank you, Keiko. Now, do you guys want to know something really silly that capuchin monkeys do in the wild? It's kind of gross. I want to know about it? What they do is they do something called urine washing. That does not sound very good, does it? What they do is they actually pee all over their hands and rub it all over their body and everything that's there. So they would... That was nice. Thank you. They would pee on their hands and rub it all over everything so that they made sure that they knew what was theirs and what was someone else's. These guys are all from South America. But Keiko was born in the United States. So she was born here in the United States. No touching. Thank you guys. You're doing a very good job. Good job, Keiko. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but she's kind of holding on to me with her tail too. Do you remember what that was called after talking about it with Frito? She has a That's just her talking. Right now. She likes to do that. Oh, no, you're going to pretend to be cute. She's going to pretend to be cute. But really, she's pretty crazy a lot of times. All right, I'm going to answer... I'm going to answer 3 questions. It can be about any of the animals we saw. So I want you to raise your hand if you have 3 questions. What's your question? What does she eat? She's an omnivore. What do you think that means? Meat and plants, remember? Okay. Did you have a question over here? Is that a good question? Was that a question? What's your question? How far can she climb up? She can go all the way to the very tops of the tree. As long as the branch can hold her weight, she can get there. She's a very good climber. Okay, one more from over here. Who has a question over here? Anybody? No question? Okay, what's yours? She does get live. Okay, thank you guys so much. It was very nice to meet you. Now we get to see the rest of the school, okay? So she's gonna go back in her crate. I think you guys get to go do something else really fun. So thank you guys so much. Have a good day. We're gonna take a trip to the rainforest. Who's been to the rainforest?